Hello everybody, welcome to Fi Di Piipl, the program for make una know what happening in the world in a Fiwi language. Today, me going to talk about Haiti connection to France. France used to control Haiti. Before the place did come to name Haiti, it did name Saint-Domingue. Saint-Domingue did the richest country in the Caribbean and even in the whole world. Now for Haiti money come through the hard work where the slave them did put out that time there. Round 1789 them time there in France, one demonstration did break out, so the slave them in Haiti thought fight off them the farm owner them and burn down the farm them. After Haiti run out France tell Haiti say them fi pay them 150 million francs, where back in a them day they did a whole heap of money and Haiti couldn't afford that cause them did just get them freedom. And plus, them did burn down all of them farm them and everything, so Haiti did have to turn to other country fi borrow money fi pay back France. The whole heap of money where Haiti did owe did a stall upliftment in Haiti, and them future from them time there never look bright. And because of the whole heap of money where them did have to pay back France. The French president, Mr. Sarkozy, promised to give Haiti $230 million water help, and him cancel out the money where Haiti did still owe France for about 200 years now. Haiti and France connect in enough way. First France did control Haiti, then through Haiti run out France and make themselves free, France give them a whole heap of money for pay back, and so Haiti just get poor. And then now, through the earthquake, France give them $230 million water help.
In 1791, one war broke out between the different people them in Haiti. Government of France did pass one law where say the Bacamasa them couldn't trade with no other country but France. Them never like this, so them start to riot. One holy power rule it passed against the black people them were free. So them start to fight cause them want to dip on the same level as the white people them in Haiti. The Bacamasa them did a treat the slave them bad, so the slave them start to fight for them freedom. Haiti get them independence in 1804, and them go on to set up one independence law we say anybody will come from Africa will come on them land must get freedom. Hilary Beckles go on to say that the government for France never did want to recognize Haiti independence. Haiti end up have to keep to themselves, cause nobody never want them in the world trade. Before the revolution, Haiti was the richest island in the Caribbean, but after the revolution, everything did destroy. Haiti couldn't manage to keep up with the world. So when the way of make money start to change, Haiti never have enough people for work. This put more pressure upon Haiti economy and cause it to mash up bad. Haiti are the brokest island now in the Caribbean. A be a slum and bad condition people are living in Haiti now.
According to Beckles 2010, from Haiti get them independence, the people them from Europe force Haiti to keep away from trade and lock them out of the world trade, find money business and a chance to build up them country. After 1804, enough people that go cross in a boat to go up Port-au-Prince. In 1881, the British control check up say about 2,000 Jamaican people they in Haiti live. Although Haiti and the country them never do no business, any Caribbean smarty who left go Haiti could have turn over there and live free. Haiti did tab keeper from the rest of Caribbean them when them and Jamaica, as according to Delime 2008, they tried to do business with them one another. Jamaica did try get Haiti in a CARICOM in 1997. Haiti did face all heap of trouble because the rest of the country them never want them to join. Them did feel say Haiti did mash up and would have been too much burden upon CARICOM. Haiti never get in a CARICOM till 1999 and them never thought trade with the rest of the country them till 2004. Little after Haiti did start trade with the rest of the country them did get kicked out of CARICOM because them never get rid of them leader Aristide in the right way. Them did go against the law. By 2006, them did take them back in a CARICOM. The country them did make up their mind to give Haiti a chance to take part in the petroleum fund. This is one business that Trinidad thought up in 2004. The country them were in the Caribbean are come together to help Haiti build back up after the dangerous earthquake were there. Some of the country them were in the Caribbean are help out Haiti by themselves, like Trinidad and Ghana. Jamaica help out Haiti by themselves too. It's a good thing Haiti did in a CARICOM because after the earthquake, CARICOM do whole heap to help out the country. Them give food, medicine, and even send whole heap of people to help build up back the country. This is Fi Di Piipl. Till next time, walk good.